Hi, and today we're going to learn how to log into Education Galaxy for grades 3 and 4. First, we will go to educationgalaxy.com, and when the page loads, in the top right corner, we'll click Login. Your username and password most of the time will be your lunch number. There are a few people that have an additional digit after their lunch number for their username. If you need this, please speak to your classroom teacher and click Login. It's going to ask us right now because hand washing is so important that we want to keep our computers and everything germ-free. So click yes, you have washed your hands. And we're going to start under My Diagnostics. This is going to allow us to get a baseline reading of where we need to start. We're going to click each subject will have their own diagnostics test, and you do not have to sit down in one time to do these. So choose a subject to start with, and then you're going to click the green arrow. This will walk you through several problems, which will count down in the middle of the screen. If you need to stop, you can always click End Session, and it will start you back when you log back in at the same place. It will also read the problems to you if you click on the speaker icon. I'm going to end the session to keep continuing over the overview. After you take a diagnostics test, you can come to My Study Plan, and you can choose your subject. Once your diagnostics tests have been taken, these subjects will have different stars to tell you which ones you need to work on. You will start the green arrow, and it'll let you play a game to learn more. The more you play, the more games will unlock, and also the more you play, you get back to the home screen, you can choose different rockets that you can play with. So the more you play, you can have more rockets. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher or the school. Thank you.